absolute honor and a matter of great privilege for me to receive your honey invite to be the chief guest for the closing ceremony program of the Bosco Got Talent. Actually, very nice program.
Therefore, in this 1 week, you are given special chances, special privileges to explore God-given talents as well as to exhibit. And already many of you have explored as well as you are exhibiting. Therefore, today also you have performed well, and in marathon race in sub-division level, you got first, second, third, and likewise in other programs. So, continue to explore your talents, continue to exhibit and sign out in your life. So have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Please, my dear student, what do you think you become? Nâng ta một suốt nâng amen. Nó bị ta một suốt in future of amen. That means, need goal, dream, and set up. যে কোনো I'm such a doctor, engineer, professor, IAS, IPS. Need one suit architect and amen. Sehingga saya kata tentang maksud penawulan tentang mengenai proyek aku saya salah. But you have to think, what is your dream and what is your goal? You have to decide today. Nanti decide hari ini dari future nanti nanti. Apa yang penting sih? Si wangsok ni, si target, si set makai je, aku future apa yang naik. Selesai jadi Navasota School ini student of sastra dulu kan. Ini sebab Bosco Got Talent. I believe this. Norok sastra jadi future jadi thina. Norok jadi thina jadi future. Thomas no bahaya kaham ke kam thana. Society no bahaya ke norok kaham ke kam thana. Ini norm Indonesia bahasa. Sebab itu sebab saya already 45% of maximum 15 years, but not the future, not the Thina. Since Somasi society is not here. One more thing. That is a very massive. Sana was a very massive. Because Chinese society that is a very fact of Chinese society. The space from sex. I mean, you know, one of the most dangerous drugs. Factor in money was engaging for a lot of money. No, because kamu kebanyakan tu sih kalau pasal beri besar no from kamu. Kami betul. Factor in money hari drugs in money hari saya di life school. Jadi parents ni imam Thina kamai thaku. Norok masuk na. Darah ni money hari use kene lo. Answer है कहते हैं most of them. No. Ini parents ni maafa, mana imam je mukmani. Ni maafa so mana je imam mukmani oh imam boleh kamai. Free. Ambil sini target sini wan sukma setup ma kene man asne sini kaham laga ma thanai 가함 마시겠지는 가함 되었습니다. Kalau anggota ini really dan kayak ke program muka so very meaningful. Don Bosco got talent. As a hero, I hopefully we are already called the talent person. Since you were in our Bosco Don Bosco School, master the Sambun Sukeko, heaven, I primary can say most of them that I can. I would see the Bosco School. Some people once again see further. Bini the initiative have taken the Muslim money. I hope some money not only today because I already met Mandai also. So I will thank you to you because he's very actively. And we are almost like Father Balaikano Sam Namkara and Balaikano Chini Borona Hanzo. Even missionaries of no Sanankare, Tribro missionaries of me, Balaikano brought me over the because
of Don Bosco, our father and founder. Don Bosco was born on 16 August 1815 and it falls on this Sunday, and Sunday as we cannot come together, therefore we are having this program. We are very much delighted to have in our midst our MLA who is so much interested for the development of this locality, especially for the betterment of the students. Therefore, as soon as we have requested him to come to this program, Sir willingly and enthusiastically accepted our call and he is with us. Therefore, once again, let's give a big round of applause for his keen interest. So,